Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we are going to talk about beautiful hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a wonderful art that has been loved for many years. It is a creative hobby that allows you to decorate clothes, pillow covers, bags, tablecloths and many other items with colorful threads and beautiful patterns. Hand embroidery is not only but fun but also relaxing. Many people enjoy embroidery because it helps them express their creativity while making something unique and beautiful. Let's explore some popular hand embroidery designs. One of the most loved embroidery designs is the floral pattern. Flowers are always beautiful and can be stitched in many different styles. Roses, sunflowers, daisies and small wildflowers are popular choices. Floral embroidery can make any fabric look elegant and colorful. Another popular design is leaf embroidery designs. Leaves can be stitched alone or combined with flowers. Different shades of green thread can create a natural and attractive look. Leaf patterns are simple for beginners and beautiful for experienced embroideries. Butterfly embroidery is also very popular. Butterflies add a cheerful and delicate touch to clothing and home decoration. Bright colors make butterfly designs stand out and look eye-catching. Many people also enjoy creating geometric embroidery pattern. These designs use lines, shapes and simple patterns to create a modern look. Geometric embroidery is perfect for those who like neat and stylish designs. Heart embroidery designs are another favorite choice. Hearts are simple, lovely and suitable for gifts. They can be stitched on handkerchiefs, bags, baby clothes and many other items. For those who enjoy traditional styles, authentic embroidery patterns are a wonderful option. Traditional embroidery add a rich and artistic touch to fabric. Now let's talk about some basic stitches used in hand embroidery. The running stitch is one of the easiest stitches for beginners. It is simple and useful for creating outlines and patterns. The back stitch is another common stitch. It creates strong and smooth lines, making it perfect for outlining flowers, leaves and letters. The satin stitch is used to fill shapes with colors. It creates a smooth and shiny appearance that looks beautiful on petals and decorative patterns. The chain stitch is also very popular. It creates a chain-like effect and adds texture to embroidery designs. Many floral and traditional patterns use chain stitches. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.